How do you import your data and use ZIXU G7 marking machine to mark it? First, we need to connect the pneumatic tube to the marker. Then we need to adjust the air pressure to between 0.4 megapascals and 0.5 megapascals. We have to make sure that the air pressure is just right, not too high, also not too low. After that, we need to connect the marker and the controller. Then connect the power, your U-disk, and turn on the controller. After the system is running, click the documents and choose pictures or fonts or any other things that you want to import. Then click the file import. Now, we start a new project. Type your words first and choose the font that you have imported, or just open your file. Adjust the position, size, or other parameters. Then start marking. This is all the operational steps. If you are interested in our products shown in the video, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section to contact me. Thanks for watching.